What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking some updated headshots. I figured I would get ready with you guys. If you do enjoy videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe down below. It is the red subscribe button. As always, my Instagram handle is right up here for you guys. It is at Erin Heartbreak. I'm not gonna ramble too much in the intro because I do talk a hell of a lot during my makeup tutorial. So if you are interested in how I got to this look, please keep watching. So this is my reality at 7:42 a.m. on a Saturday. I just got out of the shower, my skin is prepped, my hair is up, I have it pulled back so I minimize as much as I can for the makeup in my hairline, and I woke up with a beautiful cold sore because I have an abundance of stress in my life right now, but I will get into that. As for my makeup routine, I will show you guys what I'm using. If I'm doing anything out of my norm, I will explain why. I am going to get my headshots taken this morning for my new job, so I'm gonna get right into it. I am gonna start off with my eyebrows. I am using Brow Benefit. I have had this since I went to Mexico last year. I use shade 3. Honestly, I know Desi Perkins just came out with a collab kit with them. The Bomb Ass Brow Kit, and I'm like can almost bet my life on it that they did a mini size of this in there, and I think that's honestly perfect because this stuff just dries out so much and there's so much product in there that they just goes to waste, that using half a pot would be so much better. So I know I filled you guys in a little bit in my pretty little thing haul that I quit my job and like what's been going on with my leg, but it really is so much bigger than that. Just in the last week that I stopped vlogging or stopped doing Vlogmas, what happened with my leg was really, really bad, but the procedure that I had done, I'm not gonna get into details because I feel like every time I talk about it, I cry because I'm honestly traumatized. But the surgeon definitely, he mistreated me. He mistreated me. He really messed up my leg. So yesterday was super, super emotional because I had my exit interview with my current job, and I had the chief of surgeons and the chief, I'm gonna leave out the health group, but the chief of surgeons and the chief of nurses call me, and they are filing a complaint or a claim on behalf of their health organization. I don't know what to really call them, I just know their name, and I am. So the surgeon did an absolute hack job on me. He treated me like crap. Just every single thing from start to finish from my appointment on Wednesday was traumatizing, honestly. It was, I'm not even being dramatic, it was really, really bad. So dealing with that, and then I had my exit interview, and then just family stuff, I think just caused so much stress on my end that yesterday, like halfway through the day, I just felt something on my lip, and now I have a cold sore, which is awesome because I'm going for my headshots. For me, life always happens all at once. There's never a period where it's just like, oh, you want to start a new job, Erin? Okay, enjoy your moment. No, it's you buy a new car, you quit your job, you have a hack procedure done on your body where you really can't move for a week, and then you need to take headshots and blah, 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 blah. Oh, and then your family, don't even worry about your health. Your family's health now is in jeopardy too. It's just like such crap, honestly. I can never just enjoy one moment. Everything just hits at once for me. It always has. I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in Fair. So last year at this time, we bought our house, so we've been in our house for a year, and we were getting married in a month. So my psycho ass decided to purchase a house and get married in another country, literally a month apart from each other, around Christmas. Like, yeah, Erin, let's buy Christmas gifts, plan a wedding, and buy a house in 30 days. I swear to God, I do the absolute dumbest shit all at once. But yeah, I figured I'm not going to hide because I have a cold sore, because that's just reality and people get them. Like, if you've never gotten a cold sore in your life, you're probably 1% of America, so lucky you. But I figured I would show you guys my reality, because that's the beauty of YouTube, and this is what's going on in my life. So welcome to the shit show. I did self-tan 2 nights ago. I just rinsed off the self-tanner, so hopefully this foundation matches a little bit better. I do not have a foundation that is dark enough for when I have an absolute fresh self-tan without a rinsed off layer. So this foundation usually matches pretty well for when it's washed off. So for foundation, I just used the Maybelline Superstay in shade 130 Buff Beige. I've been trying to retest my foundations that I have, and I hate all of them. I'll talk about them in my December hits and misses, but honestly, holy grail, like forever, and it is so affordable at your local drugstore. I'm picking up the concealer again, and I'm just gonna do underneath my eyes. I am really not worried about my nose, my chin, my forehead, anything like that. I don't have a lot of problem areas. My skin is actually like really nice right now. I like to get my setting powder ready for right after I blend stuff out. I am still using the Huda Beauty setting powder. I absolutely love it. Love it. So I am just gonna set this with my Morphe M438 brush. It's my absolutely favorite brush for underneath the eyes. I like to make sure that that concealer is blended out so that when I go in to set it, it is as crease free as possible. I feel like if you wait and you're moving around a lot, then your eyes are creasing. It's just not a good look. Like this one, I can already see it's creasing. So the photographer is Jen Brum. I have actually known her, oh my God, we go like way back to party days. Okay, so I'm taking my chubby stick real quick just to explain what I'm doing. And I'm gonna contour out my face. I want it to be cut and clean and creased and snatched for these photos, so I look youthful as all hell when I'm passing out my new business cards. So the photographer and I have known each other since high school. We used to always hang out in high school, and then I went away to college, and I think when I went away to college is when she met her husband, and then has 3 beautiful boys. Like, I can't, her family is so freaking cute. So she does photography, and she did Jonathan and I's engagement photos. So I will show you a couple photos from our engagement that she did. They're so beautiful. Sorry, I cannot blend in my cheeks and talk at the same time. It's never gonna work. Okay, so you see that? Pulled back, forehead looks a little smaller, as small as I can possibly make it. So while my under eyes are still baking and setting in, I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs, this is the Tantastic. Yep, the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. That's a lot of bronzer. This stuff is awesome. So I will be taking my Morphe R2 brush and just kind of setting where I just did that cream contour. Because I don't want it to be too harsh, I feel like you get more of a natural look when you just pat the bronzer on instead of buffing it into the skin. feel like I finally have a routine that I just love doing now. I'm going in with my Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I've used it for years. And I'm just gonna go over my eyebrows and kind of lift the hairs up a little bit as I go so they look a little bit more fluffy and real. See, so I got my eyebrows microbladed and I still fill in and carve out my eyebrows. I will not be going back in for a touch-up. I do not think microblading is worth it for me. I'm going back in with my Tantastic and I'm just going to carve out my eyelids. Again, the goal for headshot makeup is to be as natural as possible. I mean, if you wanted to do a bold lip, you could, but if that's not something that you rock every day, I wouldn't recommend it. You're just trying to enhance your features. You are not trying to do the absolute most. Starting to look a lot different than when this video first started. I will not be putting on a highlight. I will not be putting on any shimmer shadows. I am just doing the absolute minimum with kind of carving out the crease in my eye, hopefully making them look a little bit wider. I will also go underneath with the bronzer just to kind of open them up a little bit. I'm gonna dust away this powder. See that line? It's just clean. I need to work on the technique where girls like bring it up. I always bring mine straight down because that's the way my cheeks go, but girls are able to like lift it up and give them like an apple cheek. Need to start trying that. The other thing I want to learn how to do that I tried the other day and failed so miserably is that soft winged eyeliner look. So when girls just do eyeshadow and they kind of pull it up, I cannot do it for the life of me. I struggle so hard. So whatever's left on that brush, I'm just gonna kind of pat around my face, make sure I'm not oily anywhere and shiny for the photos. Next, I'm gonna be going in with the only blush I've ever used in my whole entire life, and it's the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. So beautiful and subtle, and it's just the perfect color. So I am applying this with the Morphe M530 brush. I'm gonna spray down my face just so that the powders kind of melt away, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, so for my eyelashes, I will do them on camera for you guys because I've literally done everything else. So what I do, I'm not gonna talk through this so I can make it as quick as possible. What I'm gonna do is curl my eyelashes, do a light coat of the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black, and then I'm going in with my Kiss number 11 lashes. These are my favorite natural lash. I think they work out so well. Take this off now. I haven't brushed my hair yet today, so maybe I shouldn't have just taken it down for you guys, but now it's time to try and cover up this cold sore. So I am still going to be using my usual techniques for lining, lipstick, and then lip gloss. I think that because I use these techniques to kind of cover up my scar. Why can't I cover up this cold sore? So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I do have a fresh sharpened pencil. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Flirt. Next, I am taking the KKW Nude Lipstick in number 5. Last is the lip gloss, and I'm using Bare Minerals Gen Nude, and yes. Okay guys, so this is going to be my look for my headshots today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go get dressed, so I will catch up with you guys on my way to go see Jen. Hi, Coop. Hi. I'm pretty sure this is the first golden doodle ever in Massachusetts. You're such an old boy. He's so handsome. So I just left Jen's, did my headshots. We took a bunch different ways. And then I came to my mom's. Jen's studio is so freaking cute. I didn't want to be like invasive and film and take up too much of her time, but her studio is so cute. She takes awesome newborn photos. My nephew actually went to her. So I'm at my mom's house right now. She's getting her hair done. So I'm killing time until my best friend is home from taking her son to CCD. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is my makeup look in natural light. You saw it. Are you really pushing me? Dude, I'm petting you. What the heck? He misses his big sister. Oh. Okay. I can't. So yeah, this is what the makeup looks like in natural light. Obviously, you saw it on my ring light, which is like fully enhanced. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for following me around and watching me get ready. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, everyone. Oh.